sir. Have a good day. Okay. And
Madam
then,
Clerk, I have Daniel Timpf.
hold on. Okay, excuse me. Let's go off the record. Counsel, when I'm trying to call a case on the record, I can't have you just interjecting and interrupting the record. What is it you indicated, counsel?
I'm here on Daniel Timpf, Judge, for the third time. And all we're going to do is ask for an exam date.
Have you already spoken to the prosecutor today?
I don't think I need to talk to a prosecutor to get an exam date unless you want me to agree to a date with him. That's fine.
Yes, because the prosecutor has the file, and we don't know when the file is ready until after there's been communication between the attorneys, and then he sends that in with what's happening. So we're going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Matherly.
Thank you.
And then next time, counsel, if you can just wait until we're asking for something, we're going to check people in so that it's not interrupting the record, please.
Okay, Judge. I just wish, that your court answered their phones.
Counsel, as I stated before, we are severely understaffed. We have people that are out sick. So
Judge, there's no reason why for 4 days, me calling from 8:30 to 4:30, that nobody answers your phone in any department that I dial. So I have an issue with that. Yes.
Mr. Margolis, again, I take exception to your continuing interruption when I'm speaking. As I've stated, it is most effective to send in an email to communicate with the court, because we have one of my staff members that's here in the courtroom. We have others that are out ill. So that is what we're dealing with right now, counsel. So as I stated before, the most effective way to communicate, to find out a question, to ask anything, is to send in an email.
I know, Judge. The last email I sent took me 2 days to get the answer, and after the court told me that they were calling me back. So respect goes 2 ways, Judge, with your court. So yes, I try to be respectful, and I will be respectful in the future.
Well, I will check into that to see, because typically it's only within a couple of hours. So I will check that to see what happened in that regard.
Well, should I stay on Zoom or should I call back? Because I have 4 other matters this morning.
We're putting you in a breakout room with Mr. Matherly, counsel.
And then do you have him on Zoom from the prison or not?
Your client is
or do we not need him?
Would you like to speak to your client?
Well, just put me in the breakout room with the prosecutor, Judge. Thank you.
I'm sorry. Well, I'm sorry, Mr. Willis. You're telling me to just put you in a breakout room with the prosecutor. Is that what you're telling me?
Yes, I've already talked to my client. We're ready to go. It's just a matter of getting a date with the prosecutor.
So he's going to tell me what to do. We're putting you in a breakout room with Mr. Matherly.
That's what you said. Man, I'm ready. I'm waiting.
Is Ms. Wilkie in the courtroom?
Ms. Wilkie said she just spoke with her attorney and he needs to call her back, so she's not prepared because she has not had a chance to speak with the attorney. I guess Mr. Parker was just.
I did talk to her, but that's fine. We could go back.
I think she wants to.
I'll call her.
Okay, and then we'll recall the matter. When she comes in the court, just let her know to come in the courtroom when she's ready, and then we'll call the matter, okay?
She said she was already logged in, but that's fine.
No, she's actually, Scott, she's here in the courthouse, right? She's here personally.
Okay, fine. I misunderstood.
Do I have a sign that says, please talk over me today? What I'm saying, counsel, is when you're done speaking with her, please let her know to come into the courtroom, and then we'll know that you're ready for us to call the case.
That'll be fine, Your Honor.
Thank you. You guys should walk out and walk back in. I'm not going to get started or not.
Yep. Okay. Go!
Will you hand me my screen box?
Now go. Are you ready now, Mr. Mansour?
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you for that opportunity.
All right. The court will recall the case of the State of Michigan versus Kelsey Salter, case number 24S00225.
Tiffany Woods for the people.
And Matthew Mansour, Assistant Public Defender, with and on behalf of Miss Kelsey Salter. Kelsey, can you unmute and state your name for the judge?
Kelsey Nicole Salter.
Thank you. All right, this matter is scheduled for a jury selection tomorrow, and I understand that there are some issues going on that we need to make a record of, and the court makes some rulings.
Yes, Your Honor, that is correct. The Washtenaw County Public Defender's Office is currently appointed on the matter as of right now. I know Ms. Salter is working on getting private counsel to represent her going forward. Outside of that, Your Honor, I am ready to proceed with jury selection and trial. I've submitted jury instructions, witness list, exhibit list, and
Oh, and I just got the discovery packet yesterday. You haven't even talked to my witness or anything. You have not been helping me. All you threatening me with is jail time.
Ms. Salter, if you keep speaking out of turn, ma'am, you're going to be held in contempt of court, so you need to stop right now.
I didn't know I couldn't talk. I thought that was the purpose of me logging on. I apologize.
Please continue, Mr. Mansour, if there's anything else you needed to say.
Your Honor, the only thing left I need to say is I believe there's a breakdown in communications here. Me and Ms. Salter are not communicating well with each other. I believe the trust has been broken. She has indicated she does not want me to represent her going forward. She's also indicated to me that she has hired a new attorney and that she does not want pretty much anything to do with me. And so other than that, I am ready to go with jury selection and jury trial, but I don't think I can adequately represent her without any trust.
Ms. Salter, you are here now, and now it is your turn to speak. What is it that you would like to say about this before you start talking? We're scheduled for trial tomorrow. Any attorney that shows up tomorrow will be going to trial. Where are you with this?
He keep threatening me with jail time, and I'm telling him I didn't do it. Like, why is he not trying to defend me or even look into my case to find out? He haven't done anything with my case. I just got the discovery packet like 2 days ago. Even Miss Taylor said the same thing. Like, why is that okay? Or he threatened me, the judge is not like that. She's gonna lock you up if you don't take the plea. Like, why is that okay? I'm scared. Like, I don't get it.
Ma'am, I don't know how else to tell you, but tomorrow is your trial date, and I'm trying to figure out whether you are going to have new counsel or whether you're going to trial with Mr. Mansour.
I'm meeting with her tomorrow to fill out all my paperwork, but she's agreed to take on my case.
We're going to trial. We're picking a jury tomorrow morning for jury selection. So you can't hire someone on the day of your jury selection.
I've been talking about this for the past. This just didn't happen.
I'm not going to argue with you.
Wow, this is crazy. So you basically telling me I don't have the right to hire my own lawyer because I'm being told something else by Ms. Taylor that I'm allowed to have my own lawyer.
What I'm telling you and very clearly telling you is tomorrow morning, we're going to jury selection. And this case has been going on since October of 2024. You've had plenty of opportunity to hire your own counsel, and you have not done that.
Ma'am, he didn't make, okay, it's like, why are you doing this to me? Like, what did I do wrong? I didn't do the crime and he's not trying to help me. I'm telling you, he's not trying to help me. All he threatening me with is you gonna lock me up. Like, why is that okay?
Well, if you yell at me one more time, you're going to get locked up for contempt of court.
I'm not even yelling though. Like, that's you. Okay, I apologize. What?
Your behavior in court today is very disturbing.
Ma'am, I am so frustrated. I've been reaching out to Mr. Mansour trying to get so much help since my case. You can look at our text messages. Even Ms. Taylor said that he's not responding to anything I'm asking about my case or even trying to help me. Like, I apologize. I'm not being rude to you. I'm frustrated. I haven't even had no sleep all week. Like, you could talk to my therapist. I'm going through it. I don't know nothing about this case and he is not helping me. You talking about I'm being rude? I haven't even said nothing rude or disrespectful. I'm frustrated.
You are still yelling, and I've asked you a number of times to stop it. And that's interesting because you're here for disturbing the peace. And yet you're in the courtroom disturbing the whole demeanor of the court.
Okay, I thought that was, he called me and told me to log on and explain to you my situation. So I thought that's what I was doing. Like, I didn't know I was doing anything wrong.
You are doing something wrong because you keep yelling. So why is it that you're waiting until your day of trial to actually hire this attorney? Why is the attorney
Well,
not today?
the way he explained it to me, that tomorrow is just a jury. You were picking a jury, and the trial is not tomorrow. This is all new to me. I didn't know that that's how this worked.
So tomorrow you'll be picking your jury with Mr. Mansour then, if you don't have your attorney by then.
Okay, but that was the purpose of her asking him to get it adjourned, because she has a case tomorrow that she couldn't step in
Not
on.
going to be adjourned.
Okay, ma'am, that's fine. That's fine. I appreciate you. So I'm forced to deal with a lawyer that I'm like, I cannot even believe this is happening to me.
All right, well, I've told you where you are. You can choose an attorney who can show up here with you before that date, or you can go to jury selection with Mr. Mansour in the morning.
Okay, thank you. Am I all done here?
No, you're not.
I have a question. So it's okay that I'm just now getting my discovery packet? Because I've been asking about everything about my case, and I'm just now finding out anything this week.
Mr. Mansour, is it true that she just received her discovery packet?
Your Honor.
Like, isn't that malpractice?
Ma'am, I've told you, if you say one more thing out of turn, you're going to be held in contempt today. Do you understand me?
Yes, ma'am.
One more thing, and I'm not joking. And the first thing you're going to get is 30 days. So stop it. Mr. Mansour, is it true, sir, that she just got her discovery packet?
Your Honor, it is our office's policy. If a client requests their discovery, we send it over. She has not requested her discovery until Monday of this week. She requested it Monday via email. I let her know, if you want your discovery, you have to request it through email or writing. She did that promptly on Monday. She sent an email requesting discovery. We sent the discovery immediately the same day.
Thank you so much.
And Your Honor, I have gone through the police report with her. I have gone through all the discovery with her. I have done as my due diligence with her as I do every single client I represent. Ms. Salter has made remarks towards me that I'm not a real lawyer, that I'm not after her best interest, that I told her specifically to plead or she will go to jail, when none of that would ever be true. I would never do that. So, and Your Honor, yesterday, she also mentioned that she would like to call our office to write a report on me and whatnot. So this is where we are with this relationship right now. And when I tried to, respond back to her, she would yell so loud that I can't even get a word in. And this is how it's been going. So.
Thank you, Mr. Mansour. Given the behavior and the way she's treating me today, I fully believe that to be the truth.
Princess, stop.
I'm sorry, what did you say?
I was talking to my daughter. I apologize.
Well, this is about an incident in Tim Hortons.
Are you asking me, ma'am?
No, I'm not, ma'am.
I'm sorry.
Yeah. Yes, Judge.
And you have your complaining witness in this case?
Judge, the victim is a child. He's a 6-year-old boy, his mother. And then there's some other witnesses that, I haven't gotten subpoenas to yet because I don't have the trial date confirmed. I know that my OIC is not available on that date. He is not even going to be in the state. I believe he's out on vacation on the 21st. So
the child that she allegedly bumped into, the victim that she allegedly bumped into is a child?
Yes. And the mother was present as well, so they would both be testifying.
The allegation she was yelling that she was gonna beat the mother's butt or the child's butt over a parking spot?
I believe she was upset because the child and the mother weren't moving out of the parking spot quick enough. So she was beeping their horn when they went into the store to stand in line. It's alleged that the defendant went in, was trying to get through the line and then hip checked the 6-year-old, basically, wanting to get him out of the way so she could go get her an online order that she had placed previously. And then there was some disturbance inside the Hortons because the mom wasn't happy when she saw that Miss Salter had assaulted her son and was acting out that way.
So are you requesting that the public defender's office be removed from your case, Ms. Salter?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have a position on the motion by the defendant to withdraw? Because the PD says they can proceed. The defendant does not want him as a part of her case. Do you have a position on that, Ms. Woods?
Judge, I take no position. I will leave that up to the court.
The PD is going to be allowed to withdraw due to a breakdown in the attorney-client relationship. What I'm going to do is request that a new attorney be appointed unless she hires her own so that we can be able to proceed with this case. Ma'am, you're free to hire whoever you want to hire in the interim time period. Do we have any testing in this case?
I'm sorry, Judge.
It doesn't appear that there's any testing going on in this case.
Yeah, I don't believe that there was any alcohol or drugs alleged in the police report. That could be why she was not put on testing.
Ms. Salter's behavior towards her attorney, towards the court, is extremely disturbing. I can't believe that anybody would behave the way she behaves unless something is going on with her. Ma'am, you need to test within 24 hours.
Where do I go test that, ma'am? I live an hour and a half away. I don't know nothing about Washtenaw County.
You need to go test at Community Corrections.
Okay, and where is that?
Can you give me the address, please?
So I'm being forced to go test because you saying I have attitude because I'm frustrated because I'm not getting any help? Like, what did I say wrong? I'm so confused. What did I even do? I see a therapist every month that I have to drug test for every month, ma'am. I'm not doing anything illegal. I'm a single parent.
Can I have the address?
Yeah, I was gonna put it, I'm sorry, she's still talking to you, so I have to
Okay.
put it in a team, but it's 4101.
4101 Washtenaw, ma'am. You need to go there and test within 24 hours.
Okay, am I able to do that tomorrow? Because I have to come out there anyway.
Ma'am, I just said you need to do that within 24 hours.
I cannot believe this is happening.
I'm sorry? All right. And the cost is $12. Is that for both tests? All right, total is $27, ma'am. You need to test within that 24 hours, ma'am. I'm gonna put this on for another pretrial date. I'll make that March 27th, 2025 at 10 o'clock a.m. Ma'am, you need to have your own counsel on that date. If you don't have one, the new attorney will reach out to you a couple of days before them that's been appointed. Do you understand?
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
I'll see you here on March 27th. If you
Thank
don't,
you.
if you don't go test, I will issue a bench warrant.
Ma'am, I'll be there.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Are you kidding me?
Oh my God.
You have got to be kidding me. What is going on today? This is a joke. Today is an absolute joke. An interpreter.
I need an interpreter when I cannot express myself something.
Oh my God, sir, put that cigarette out. I don't give a crap that you are outside of this. What is wrong with everybody today? You know what, Miss Green, we're going to start bringing people in person. We're going to learn how to act in a courtroom.
Can you hear it? Can you hear it? Ma'am? Ma'am? Can you hear it? Okay.
Come and go, so let this feeling I'm sitting up here, I'm the one that needs a drink.